So these are three most common questions asked about full stack Java developer. A full stack Java developer is a web programmer who uses Java, which is a popular computer language. A full stack developer writes code in all three layers of a web-based application, which are the front end, back end, and databases. Front end developer involves designing elements that appears to users in the app. Backend development refers to the data which supports the visible elements in the app. And this is the best part. Any freshers who wants to grow their career in IT software field can be a full stack Java developer. Also, anyone who is interested in HTML, JavaScript, databases, backend languages, HTTP can also be a full stack developer. Here the answer is very simple. Legit, every single company needs a full stack developer. Companies like Amazon, Google, Tata Consultancy, Infosys, HCL Technologies, freelancers, and more companies are hiring full stack Java developer every single year. So for anyone who is fresher and new in the field, the salary grows from 3 lakh per annum to 15 lakh per annum, and the average salary goes between 6 lakh per annum. So if you want to learn how you can be a full stack Java developer, go into this website and you will find the best courses to become a full stack Java developer.